Tripura police have summoned an associate editor of HW News Network for questioning. Earlier, two women journalists of the media outlet Samriddhi Sakunia and Swarna Jha were questioned twice by Tripura police after their report on the recent communal violence in Tripura. HW News Network in a statement yesterday said both their reporters Swarna Jha and Samriddhi Sakunia have been allowed to leave Tripura. On November 17, they appeared for questioning as per the bail condition. On November 18, they also appeared at Fatikroy police station to record their statement in relation to another FIR filed against them. The statement also said the journalists were further summoned for questioning on November 19 at Kakraban police station in Tripura's Gomati district. The two women journalists were arrested by Tripura police for reporting on the recent communal violence in Tripura, who were later granted bail by a local court. Journalists Samriddhi and Swarna, working with HW News Network, were granted bail by the Udaipur CJM court on a bail bond of Rs 75,000 each. They were arrested by Tripura police based on a complaint filed by a VHP supporter with Fatikroy police station in Tripura. The organization also said its associate editor Arti Ghargi received a summons from Kakravan police station on November 19 evening. The police had asked her to appear before them on Saturday at 11 a.m. However, she has submitted an application seeking an extension on the basis of her medical condition, it said. The Editors Guild of India and several other media organizations denounced police action against the journalists.